How to apply for jobs in LinkedIn. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So usually you are on the home page and you want to go to the jobs page over here. Now, depending on how you have actually set up your LinkedIn account, you might have not added your job preferences because you, for example, said that you are already happy with your job and you don't want to change. But let's say a couple of years later, a couple of months later, you actually do want to, then you can actually change that over here. So add job preferences. That's probably the best way to actually do this. So it will give you like a quick explanation. We'll simply click on get started. So here you can actually add job titles. So you can, for example, add these three, like doesn't really matter. So location type. So you can choose on-site, hybrid, remote, and then choose or add the location for like on-site and remote as well. Here you can also select a start date. So immediately I'm actively applying, or flexible, I am casually looking. So I'll just do this. And then here it says employment type. So full-time, part-time, contract, internship, or temporary. I'll, for example, do part-time. And then here it says visibly, who can view your open to work? Recruiters only or all LinkedIn members. So recruiters only are the people that are looking for jobs. Might sound a little bit silly, but that's basically it. And then the LinkedIn members is basically every single person on LinkedIn. So you can choose which one you would like to, and then, for example, save. Then here it says job preferences saved. So here it says email updates for jobs, messages, and open to work updates. You can enable that or simply click on there. And then you can, for example, click on job alerts. Here you can double check everything if you filled in correctly. Then if you scroll a bit down, it says remote opportunities, hybrid opportunities, and recommended for you. So I can, for example, go to search jobs, and then here it will put like jobs in my location and like around 40 kilometers. So you can scroll here and find jobs. You can actually click on all filters as well. Here you can filter out some other stuff. We've basically already filtered like most of the stuff we would actually like to. But for example, we can change this back to, for example, 16 kilometers. And yeah, for example, show 16K results. And we can find some other as well. Now, if you, for example, don't want to see a specific job, then you can, for example, click on this I button, and it will sort of like remove that specific job off the list. So you will never see that again. Basically, if we click on this one, you can see part-time, the amount of employees, and stuff like that. So once you are actually interested in a job, you can click on easy apply, and that will apply you for a job. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.